Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Namely HR Platform. Namely HR Platform is a cloud-based HR management system designed for small and medium-sized businesses. Its main purpose is to streamline HR processes, from onboarding new hires to managing payroll and benefits. Key features include employee self-service portals, performance management tools, and reporting dashboards. Their website provides details on specific functionalities and pricing plans. Namely positions itself as an intuitive and user-friendly solution, emphasizing ease of use and comprehensive functionality. They highlight features like customizable workflows and robust reporting capabilities. Their website mentions various pricing tiers, but I didn't encounter any hidden fees during my trial. They don't seem to offer a free plan, but the website provides details on getting a quote based on your company's size and needs. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Namely HR Platform. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The onboarding process was well structured and guided me through each step seamlessly. The interface is clean and modern, making it easy to navigate. I particularly appreciated the drag-and-drop functionality for creating custom workflows for onboarding new employees. I found the reporting features quite powerful. Generating detailed reports on employee turnover and compensation was a breeze. The platform performed reliably throughout my testing period. I didn't experience any significant slowdowns or glitches. I had a quick question about integrating Namely with our existing payroll system, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. It provided a clear overview of all key HR metrics. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated onboarding process, which saved me a significant amount of time. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, though they do offer mobile-friendly access through the web browser. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Namely HR Platform. While it has a few minor areas for improvement, it generally met my needs and significantly simplified our HR processes. That's my overview of Namely HR Platform. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.